Tired of scrolling through a messy Jira backlog to find specific tasks? Learn how to add labels in 60 seconds and organize your project instantly. I will show you exactly where to click to open your project, find an issue, and add labels. No fluff, just the steps. So first things first, head over to your Jira account and log in. Once you are in, you will see a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. That is where all your projects live. Go ahead and click on the project you want to work with. Just find it in that list and select it. Now that your project is open, look at the top of the screen. You will see a few menu options. Click on the one that says Backlog. This is where all your unstarted work lives. It is the perfect place to start organizing things. From here, you will see a list of all your tasks and issues on the left. Click on any one of them. It does not matter which one you pick. Just choose an issue that you want to add a label to. When you click on that issue, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You will see a panel pop up. That panel is called the Details panel. This is where you can see all the important information about that specific issue. Things like the description, the assignee, and of course, the labels. And here is the really important part. Scroll down a little bit within that Details panel until you find a field that says Labels. It might say None next to it if you have not added any yet. Go ahead and click on that word None. It will open up a text box where you can type. So type whatever label makes sense for this task. For example, if this is a new feature, you could type the word New. Or if it is a bug, you could type Bug. The label can be anything that helps you categorize it. Once you have typed your label, just press the Enter key on your keyboard. That will save it immediately. You will see the label appear right there in the field. It is that quick. Now here is a great trick. You can add multiple labels to the same issue. So if this task is both a bug and related to the user interface, you can click back into that Labels field and type a second one. Just press Enter again to save it. You can keep adding as many as you need. And there you have it. From a messy, disorganized backlog with no way to find anything, you now have a clean, labeled project where you can instantly filter and group related tasks. Give it a try on your own issues and see how much easier it is to stay organized.